Hi everyone. So this is the third video in our series of GenAI use cases, and today we'll be discussing something where you'll have the power to have a natural language conversation with your dataset, and that dataset can be in any form. It might be in Excel, CSV, MongoDB, SQL, any tabular form, or in any form. You can have the power to have a natural language conversation with your dataset, and this is something which we saw in the first video as well, but in this video we have brought a bit enhancement to it. In this, the model basically can now come up with beautiful charts which represent the data. So let's have a look at the demo. So before moving to the demo, let's see what data set we'll be using for the natural language conversation. So this is a data from a rice mill, where basically what the rice mill does is they have a lot of sellers from where they procure the rice, they process it, and then they sell it to buyers. So the three important tables which you need to note down here is the orders table, the buyers table, and the sellers table. So this is something on which we'll have a natural language conversation. Okay, so this is the tool which we'll be using to have the natural language conversation, and this tool is connected to that database. And now we can have a natural language conversation and ask questions to this. So I've prepared a few questions. Let's see how does the model answer. The question is, can you provide the monthly breakdown of orders received? Now, the CEO of the rice mill can come here and ask this question and get beautiful insights of exactly what is the monthly breakdown of the orders received. Let me press enter and let's see what the model has to answer. Okay, so this is how it has come up with the answer. Right from July to 2019 to July 2025 to this date, it has given what orders the company has received, and it also does it in a tabular form as well as a chart form. All right, and one interesting feature which you have here is, now for example, this is the chart which is very important to you. What you can do is you can just pin it to a dashboard. I'll create a dashboard by the name of 2025. Okay, let me create it as sales 2025. Create it and pin it. Okay, so now I'll just show you where you can see this data. You can go to the live boards, and then when you click on sales 2025, you get the data. So that chart is pinned to your dashboard. All right. What's the next question? Can you provide a list of buyers along with the number of orders each placed during the year 2019? All right. So this is it. So along with the name of the company, it has given the orders placed by the company. All right. And this is the data in tabular form where you get the company name and the total orders. And even this, you can pin this on the live board. I do the same, I pin it. All right, and I can go and see it in the live board. All right. So now I have a tabular form as well on the live board. Thank you.